Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how easy it is to make churros at home. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by grabbing our pot. To that we're going to add our butter, 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to turn off the stove on medium heat and allow the butter to melt. Okay, once the butter fully melts, we're going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. To that, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to mix it all together. So allow this to cook for a minute. Okay, and just like that, we have shaped our dough. So we're going to turn it off. Just continue mixing until everything is well combined. Okay, so once we have our dough, we're going to transfer it to a glass bowl and allow this to cool down completely. Okay, and while we wait for our dough to cool down, we're going to heat up our oil over medium heat and we're going to make our cinnamon sugar. So here I have 1 cup of sugar with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and we're just going to mix it together. Okay, once we have our cinnamon sugar, we're going to set it to the side and just continue waiting for the dough. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, our dough should have cooled down. So now we're going to add our 3 eggs. Make sure that you add 1 at a time. And just mix it. And just mix it until everything is well combined. Okay, and after about 30 seconds, we should have our dough nice and smooth. So now we're going to transfer it to our churrera or to a piping bag. And I got mine off of Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box, but you can always use a pastry bag as well. Okay, and once we have transferred our dough, now we can get ready to make our churros. Okay, and of course, make sure that your oil is at 350 degrees. And once ready, we can get ready to pipe our churros. And of course, you make them as big as you want. Use your scissors, cut them. And we're going to fry until nice and golden. Okay, and after about 4 minutes, our churros should be done. So they should be nice and golden. Going to drain as much oil as possible. Okay, now we're going to dip it into our cinnamon sugar. Make sure that it gets fully coated. Repeat the process until we no longer have any more batter to fry. Alrighty guys, and once we have our churros, we can now get ready to enjoy them. Now, of course, you can always stuff them with some Nutella, caramel, jelly, whatever. We like to enjoy them just like that. Serve them with the side of ice cream. But I am so ready. Hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy and everyone gets to enjoy it. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, it's super delicious. They're nice and crispy on the outside and very soft on the inside. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make super easy and delicious churros at home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.